In the heart of a great green forest, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. His golden mane shone like fire under the sun, and his roar echoed across valleys, reminding every creature that he was the king of the jungle. The animals respected him, but they also feared his strength. Leo, however, was not cruel. He wanted the animals to see him as a friend, not just a ruler. But Leo had a problem, a strange one. He sneezed louder than any roar. His sneezes were so powerful that trees shook, birds scattered, and dust clouds rose in the air. One bright morning, the lion gathered all the animals near the riverbank. He wanted to share a new idea, a festival where every creature could sing, dance, and celebrate together without fear. The birds chirped happily, the monkeys clapped, and the deer nodded eagerly. It seemed like the beginning of something beautiful. Just then, as Leo was about to speak, a little feather from a nearby parrot floated down and tickled his nose. Ha-choo! The sneeze blasted like thunder. Water splashed from the river. Monkeys fell off branches. Rabbits darted into burrows. Even the elephants trumpeted in fright and ran. Within seconds, the gathering turned into chaos. When the dust settled, Leo looked around. The animals had vanished. Only silence remained. The lion lowered his head, his eyes heavy with sadness. "I only wanted to bring them closer," he whispered to himself. "But my sneeze pushed them all away." For days, Leo walked alone. The once friendly chatter of birds and laughter of monkeys no longer filled his mornings. He began to wonder if being strong and powerful was a curse. One evening, an old wise tortoise slowly approached Leo. "Why do you look so troubled, mighty king?" the tortoise asked. Leo sighed. "Whenever I try to be close to others, my sneeze scares them away. No matter how kind my heart is, they only see my power." The tortoise nodded gently. "Power is like fire. If uncontrolled, it burns. But if guided, it warms and brings light." The lion thought deeply. "But how do I control a sneeze?" "By learning patience and care," said the tortoise. "Warn others when it comes. Step aside. Show them that your strength is not to harm, but to protect." The next day, Leo tried again. When he felt a sneeze building, he raised his paw and said in a calm voice, "Friends, step back, please." The animals obeyed. Ha-choo! The forest shook again, but this time, no one ran away. Instead, the monkeys laughed, the parrots clapped, and the elephants sprayed water in fun. Soon, the fear faded, and the festival began. From that day on, the animals realized that Leo's sneeze was not dangerous. It was just part of who he was. And Leo learned that true power was not in showing strength, but in controlling it with care. Moral: power without control pushes people away, but power with kindness brings hearts closer.